Hello students, hoping you all are in the best of your health. Today we are going to discuss The Seven Ages of Man by William Shakespeare. About the poet. William Shakespeare was an English poet, playwright, and an actor. He is widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's greatest dramatist. He is often called as England's national poet. Some of his well known works are Othello, Macbeth, Julius Caesar, Merchant of Venice, etc. Introduction to the poem. The Seven Ages of Man, also known as All the World's a Stage, is an extract from one of his famous comedies, As You Like It. It is a monologue by Jack in Scene 7 of Act 2. It is an attempt by the poet to make us understand that life is full of highs and lows. It is a philosophical reflection on life and our role in it. The poet here has compared the world that we live as a stage. We all human beings are just like actors who have to play their assigned part. Their entry here it means birth and exit that is death are pre-decided. Entry and exit is also associated with the people who come and go in our life. In our lifetime, various roles are played according to the age he she belongs to. According to the poet, the life is divided in seven ages. The first stage is when we are an infant, a small child, where we are totally dependent on somebody else, especially our mother. The main function is to cry and ask to be fed, fulfilling our basic needs. The next age is of a toddler, where we leave the security of home and move out to study and acquire knowledge. The next age is of a lover, where songs are sung to impress the love of life. This is the age where beauty and attraction are the main areas of interest. This is the time when changes are felt in mind and body. The next stage is of a soldier in the battlefield of life. He is courageous. In this stage, honor and reputation are very valuable. He will prefer death to guard his reputation. The next stage is full of wisdom, which has been gained by experience. He carries about his part, imparting knowledge and carrying out the duty of justice. The sixth age is old age, wherein the youthful frame now reduces to the lean and bony stature of the old man. He is often seen wearing corrective glasses. The voice, which was once authoritative, reduces in pitch and volume similar to that of a child. His voice whistles as he talks. The last age is also described as final stage or the last scene of all, is referred to as a stage of second childishness where the person enters into oblivion. It causes a loss of all senses and the person is left with nothing. We see a return to dependency in this stage of life. Through the last line, the poet wants to tell that at the end, man is left with nothing, only waiting for his exit. And when the time comes, he leaves the stage of the world. Glossary words: mewling, crying feebly, whining, complaining in crying voice, satchel, bag for books, furnace, enclosed fire used for melting, woeful ballad, sad songs, pard, leopard, treble, a high singing voice, oblivion, a state in which somebody something has been forgotten. These are some questions for your practice. Thank you.